Today let's see how to install DaVinci in Windows. Now we will enter DaVinci, then click on enter. Here you can see Blackmagic Design, DaVinci Resolve 19 Blackmagic Design. Let's click on here. Then we will be redirected to their website. Now let's scroll down and you can find a free download of DaVinci Resolve. The DaVinci Resolve Studio is $295. So let's click on free download. Then let's choose DaVinci Resolve 19 and Windows. They will be giving a form to fill our details. So let's fill it and click on register and download. After filling our details, you can see the download has been started. Now let's wait till the downloads gets over. And now our setup file is successfully downloaded. Now let's see how to install this software. Now let's extract this file. After extracting the file, now you can see the setup file here. Now let's click on it. Let's choose everything here and then click on install. Then it starts installing, so let's wait. After that, we will get into this setup and we will click on next. I accept the terms, next, 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 and install it. Now let's click on finish. After the completion of your installation, it will ask you to restart your computer. For now, let's say no and we will proceed into the software. The application is now open. Let's click on continue. Then they are telling about some quick setup. Let's see it. Here you can choose the quality what you are going to work on. The SD is in this format and HD is in 180 and 720 and in Ultra HD it is in 2160 pixels. Then it is showing where we want to store our media and continue. And then they are asking for your keyboard layout, that if you are familiar with non-linear editor like Adobe Premiere Pro, Apple Final Cut Pro X and Avid Media Composer and Pro Tools, you can choose it to set up your keyboard layout. I am going to choose DaVinci Resolve and continue. We are all set now, so we will click on start now. Here you can see the layout of DaVinci and we will provide you the download link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends.